often hear people talking about ROI, return on investment, and talking about it in light of Amazon and e-commerce. But what is actually a good ROI? What should your target be when you want to make money on Amazon? How much ROI should you look for? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I believe is the perfect ROI. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you make money on e-commerce, whether that's Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or eBay, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And if you've got something you want to talk about or just ask me a question, just comment below and I'll be sure to answer it for you. All right, let's get into the video. What is a good ROI for Amazon? What is a good ROI for Amazon? So let's see if we can take a look-see at that. Well, let's use our same thing here, okay? So same thing here. I tend to use what I think of, and this is going to be down and dirty, okay? Down and dirty. I use the 4X rule. Pretty simple, super easy way to very, very quickly analyze something and work out roughly what you need to sell it at to make some money for yourself, okay? And the 4X rule, typically that's going to double your investment. So if you invested $1,000 in stock, you would get back $2,000 in margin for yourself, okay? That's typically what a 4X means. And all it means is this: if we buy a product for $5, then we're going to sell it for $25, okay? That's what your 4X means. We're going to buy it for $5, we're going to sell it for $25, okay? Super, super easy. The difference between those two numbers is 20, which is 4X of our initial investment. That's how it works, okay? So take your initial product, investment cost, exit out, and that's it. Super easy. So what do we include in that? Well, you've got your unit cost of your product, so whatever that may be, and then you've got your shipping charges. As I said, you're going to get those paid for as well, and then you'll also get included in that your storage fees, your FBA fees, your sales commissions, and then you have like a little fudge factor as well, which could be, you know, incidentals or PPC costs, for instance, something like that. That is a really good, very, very kind of thumb in the air, gives you a good understanding of what you need to do with it, okay? So again, it's a simple thing to do. You take your initial product cost, you multiply it by 4, and then you add your cost of the product back onto it. That's all I do. Super, super easy. I reckon that gives you a good ROI. 100% ROI on a product on Amazon is the minimum you should be aiming for. I reckon that's the minimum you should be aiming for. But that's a good thing to aim for as well, okay? That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members right around the world, all building their own e-commerce businesses. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.